We're gonna start off by mixing together the shortening and coconut oil, so half a cup each. Now that this is mixed, we're going to add in a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar. And I'm gonna blend this, and then I'll add in the egg and the vanilla. Great, so those are all blended together. So we're gonna scrape down the edges just to make sure everything is well incorporated. And then we're gonna start to add the dry ingredients. Wipe that down a little bit. So we're going to put in baking powder, a half a teaspoon. Make sure that it's nice and level. Then baking soda, a quarter of a teaspoon. Same deal here. There we go, got it level. And then half a cup of cocoa powder. So this is what's making it double chocolate. And then we're gonna put in 2 cups of oats. Make sure if you're trying to avoid gluten that you get oatmeal that is marked as gluten-free. There we go. We're gonna give this a pretty good mix because we want the oats to really get in there so it's not too chunky. Finally, we're gonna add in the flour. It's actually not too much. It's just a cup of the gluten-free flour and then half a cup of the coconut flour. It's been pre-mixed in here together, and we can just add it in, which will thicken up the dough. So now that this is all mixed in, we're going to add in chocolate chunks. Feel free to use whatever you want. You can use chocolate chips, chocolate chunks, nuts, whatever you like. I'm making this because several of the people that I'm giving this to have allergies, so I use these allergen-friendly chocolate chunks. They don't have any dairy, gluten, or nuts in them. And we're gonna go for the whole bag. Mix these in, and there you go. Double chocolate chip cookies are ready. Now that these are all mixed in, we're just gonna scoop them out. I like to use a little ice cream scooper, cookie scoop thing. And they're gonna go into the oven at 350 for 13 to 15 minutes. Here they are, double chocolate chip cookies. Enjoy.